Welcome to Stock Market Daily News Podcast. It's Monday, November 3rd, 2025, and I'm here with your 2-minute morning rundown of what moved markets on Friday and what matters for the week ahead. The S&P 500 closed up 0.26% to 6,840, while the Dow Jones gained just a touch, ending at 47,562. The Nasdaq led with a solid climb of 0.61%, finishing at 23,725. Coming up, earnings momentum from big tech, key data from Berkshire Hathaway, and why AI is fueling both gains and worries in the market. Let's dive in. First up, Wall Street continues to ride the tech wave. The so-called Magnificent Seven, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Alphabet, and Tesla, powered the S&P 500 to a stronger-than-expected third quarter, with earnings growth up 10.7% year-over-year. Amazon shares, for example, surged last week on upbeat guidance, reinforcing the view that artificial intelligence is driving real growth, not just hype. But the story isn't all smooth sailing. Meta Platforms disappointed with a surprise non-cash tax charge and news it will spend over $100 billion on AI next year. That sent its stock lower and rattled investors worried about runaway tech spending. Still, core ad revenues at Meta grew 26%, so its underlying business remains strong, even as investors digest those big AI bets. Meanwhile, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway delivered a standout quarter, reporting $30.8 billion in earnings, up from $26.3 billion last year. Insurance underwriting profits were a key driver, showing that core businesses remain resilient. However, Berkshire's stock lagged the S&P 500, rising just 3.5% in the quarter. The company kept its massive cash pile intact, signaling it's ready for future opportunities or market downturns. Switching gears to global markets, Indian equities slipped for a second day, with the Nifty down 0.60% to 25,722. Profit-taking set in after recent rallies, as cautious investors reacted to mixed corporate results and a firmer U.S. dollar. Banking giants like HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank came under pressure after fresh regulatory updates. Liz Saunders, chief strategist at Charles Schwab, weighed in on the AI stock surge, noting that, unlike the dot-com era, today's market is led by profitable giants with huge cash flows. Think Nvidia's $5 trillion valuation on $47 billion in recent quarterly revenue. Still, Saunders warns that the bar for tech growth is now set very high, which could amplify any disappointments and ripple into the broader market if expectations slip. To wrap up, the S&P 500 closed at 6,840, the Dow at 47,563, and the Nasdaq at 23,725. The week ahead features more earnings from S&P 500 companies, a busy schedule of Fed speakers, and a watchful eye on U.S. jobs data amid ongoing government shutdowns that could delay key economic releases. That's your morning snapshot. Subscribe, follow, and check back daily for market insights you can use. I'm signing off. Let's make this a profitable week.